Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change date of birth in Gmail account. So let's get straight into it. Now open your browser and here in the google.com. So if you are using the Gmail app on mobile, it's pretty much the same. So what we are need to do is head over here to the top right side where you see profile picture, click on it and then manage your Google account like that. Now let's here go on the left hand sidebar, click on personal information, and now we will find in here some birthday. So click like that here and uh, like that. Now click here at the first one and here we can change this how we want. Click save, confirm, and birthday has been updated. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can change date of birth in Gmail account. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.